Peace to everybody. This is about Alyssa Milano settles $10 million legal battle against ex-business managers. And of course, in the picture here, you can see Alyssa Milano. Now, I didn't know she was having a lot of legal problems at all, but all I knew about her, is an activist and fighting for justice for anything she can get to. Alyssa Milano has settled her massive legal battle for accusing her former business managers of sending her into millions of dollars in debt. Yeah, so she had a massive battle after accusing her business managers, and it's a pretty good sized amount of money that she's have settled for. According to court documents obtained by the blast, Milano and her husband, talent agent David Berglotti, have dismissed their lawsuit against Haley Hoffler and Company LLP. So there was documents that obtained that the blast somehow got a hold of, and of course they have dismissed their legal lawsuit against Haley and the company. The firm has also dismissed their counterclaims against Milano and Berglotti. And so there was a counterclaim. They also dismissed that as well. Both sides have been preparing for a scheduled trial, but they have reached a deal to avoid going to court right before the proceedings were about to begin. And so Alyssa Milano had no choice but to settle, and of course the other side also had to settle because it was going to go to court. And of course, with the legal battles, and of course the lawyers, it's just a horrible mess. A rep for Milano tells the blast Alyssa Milano and David Berglotti have successfully settled their lawsuit against their business managers as the case was preparing for trial. The parties reached a confidential settlement. Both Miss Milano and Mr. Berglotti are pleased with the terms of the settlement and are satisfied that it has been resolved. Yeah, so Alyssa Milano and her husband, they were pleased about the terms of the satisfied. I don't know what the lawsuit was about because they're not going to disclose that, as obviously, and they were pleased about the terms of the settlement. Back in 2017, Milano and her agent husband, David Berglotti, sued her former business managers at the firm for $10 million and accused them of screwing up the couple's finances and causing them to be left with millions of dollars in debt and their credit ruined. Oh, so that's what it was about. So they accused the company of they accused the company because they were left with millions of dollars in debt, and also their credit was ruined. And I guess it can happen sometimes, and you never know. But it was the business managers that sometimes don't know what the heck they're doing, so they decided, we're gonna leave her with all that. But Alyssa Milano and her husband, they were suing them for $10 million. They accused the managers of negligence for failing to warn them of their financial situation. The lawsuit accused the firm of breach of fiduciary duty, fraud and theft, and negligence. Yeah, so the managers, they were accused of negligence, and the lawsuit accused the firm of breach of fiduciary or duty. Milano originally hired Haley in 2006 and worked with them until she terminated the deal in 2016 due to her discovery of late mortgage payments and messed up taxes. Woo! So now she had late mortgage payments, messed up taxes. She terminated with them in 2016, so they are no longer with that. So this is why they settled out of court for $10 million before the trial was even gonna go to court. Leave your comments below. I am out.